Coming to the next problem is A star B equal to A into B plus 1. That means here how many operations are there? Two operations are there. That is A into B. This is multiplication, this is the multiplication, and here it is the addition. There are two operations. Now here, now we have to check it is binary operation or not, and we have to check it is commutative or not, and next we have to check it is associative or not. So first I am checking it is binary operation or not. So for that one, on the set Q ratio numbers, I am taking some values, that is A equal to 2, B value is 3 I am choosing. You can choose other values also. Now here, apply the operation. A star B is equal to A into B plus 1. Just substitute the values, A value and B value. That is 2 star B value is 3. So substitute here also. 2, A value is 2, B value is 3 plus 1. So here, don't confuse here. First you have to operate the operation is multiplication. Next you have to operate this addition. That is 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now this 7 belongs to the Q or not? This belongs to the Q. So I am choosing two values from the Q. That means ratio numbers. And after completion of the operation, again the result is belongs to the ratio numbers. Then we can say star is binary operation. Next, what about the commutative? Is it is commutative or not? For that one, I am choosing two values, that is A value is 2, B value is 3. Now what is the condition is, when A star B is equal to B star A, for all A comma B belongs to the Q. The second. Now, this is the LHS part, this is the RHS part. When these two are equal, then we can say it is commutative. So LHS part is A star B. Now what is the A star B? A star B is equal to, already given, that is AB plus 1. Now substitute the values. That is A value is 2, B value is 3. That is 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, that is 7. So LHS answer is 7. Now what about the RHS answer is? Now what is RHS? B star A. B star A. So see here, A star B means AB plus 1. Now here it is B star A. Just in place of A is B, in place of B is A. Check once here. A star B, B star A, both are reverse. So in place of A is B, in place of B is A plus 1. Now substitute the values here. What is the B value is 3 and A value is 2. 3 star A value is 2. Now apply here. B value is 3. 3 into 2 plus 1. That is 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1. That is 7. Now if you observe here, LHS answer is 7 and RHS answer also 7. Both are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS or A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, what about the associate? Is the binary operation is associative or not? So for that one, what is the condition is A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A comma B comma C belongs to the given set Q. Now here we need three values. That's why A value is 2, B value is 3, C value I am taking 4. Okay. Now see. Now what is the LHS part is? I am writing here LHS part is LHS part is A star of B stars. This is the LHS part. Now here, substitute A star. A means 2 star B star C, that is 3 star 4. So first we have to solve 3 star 4. Which operation is within the brackets? That one we have to solve. Now we have to solve 3 star 4. Leave this one. Forget this one. Now we have only 3 star 4. So this A star means A into B plus 1. Just imagine this is AB. What is the A value is 3? B value is 4. That is 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 1. That is 2 star of 3 into 4 plus 1. Now here 2 star of, simplify this one, 3 into 4, that is 12 plus 1, that is 2 star of 12 plus 1 is 13. Now it is 2 star 13. 2 star 13. Apply the operations here. A value is 2, B value is 3, 13, sorry. A value is 2, B value is 13. Now apply the operation, that is A into B plus 1, that is 2 into 13 plus 1. So 2 into 13 is 26 plus 1, that is 27. So this is the LHS answer. Now what about the RHS is? So what is RHS? A star B star C. Now what is the A value is? 2 star 3 star 4. Now which one first we have to solve? We have to solve 2 star 3 first we have to solve. Leave this one. Just imagine it is AB. A star B. What is the A star B is? A into B plus 1. That is 2 into 3 plus 1. Next, star 4. Now 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1. Star 4. Now it is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 star 4. Now again apply the operation. It is A star B. A means 7, B means 4. Operation is A into B plus 1. Multiply these two, add 1. That is 7 into 4 plus 1. That is 28 plus 1, that is 29. So here LHS answer is 27, but here RHS is 29. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS, or what you can write? A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. It is not equal to, you can say, therefore star is not associative. So this A star B equal to AB plus 1 is binary operation and commutative but not associative. Come to the next problem, that is A star B equal to AB by 2, that is A into B by 2. Now this operation, we have to check this binary operation or not, or commutative or not, or associative or not. So first I am checking this binary operation or not. So here the given set is rational numbers Q. So in the Q I am taking two elements, that is A value is suppose 1, B value I am taking 2. You can choose other values also, but I am choosing here is A value 1, B value is 2. Now I am applying the operation here, that is A star B is equal to, the given operation is A into B by 2. Now substitute the values, that is A value is 1, star B value is 2. That is 1 star 2. So substitute here. A value 1 and B value is 2 by 2. Now 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1. Now this 1 is belongs to the given set or not. Now this 1 is belongs to the Q rational numbers. So it is binary operation. Therefore star is a binary operation. Next, see here. Now I am checking these commutative or not. Commutative or not. So for the commutative, what is the condition is, that is A star B should be equal to the B star A. Here A comma B belongs to the set, the given set Q, the rational numbers. Now here A value I am choosing 1, B value I am taking 2. You can choose other values also. Now here I am taking the LHS part is, what is the LHS part is A star B. So what is the A star B condition is, operation is A star B. A star B is equal to A into B by 2. A into B by 2. Now substitute here. A value is 1, star B value is 2. That is 1 star 2. That is 1 into 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1. Now LHS answer is 1. Now what about the RHS? I am taking the RHS here. Now RHS is B star A. B star A. See here, A star B means A into B by 2. Now here it is B star A. B star A means in place of A is B, in place of B is A. Both are reverse. In place of A is B, in place of B is A. So I am writing here B star A is equal to, in place of A is B, in place of B is A by 2. Say. Now already I took the values, that is A value 1, B value is 2. I am substituting here, B value is 2, star A value is 1. That is 2 into 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, that is 1. So if you observe here, LHS answer is 1, RHS answer also 1. So both are equal, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, or what you can write, A star B is equal to B star A. So when this condition is possible, then we can say star is commutative. Star is commutative. Next, we have to check associative. We have to check associative. Is the operation is associative or not? So what is the actual condition is A star of B star C should be equal to A star B star C. Now this A comma B comma C should be belongs to the given set rational numbers. So I am taking here three values: A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. Now first I am taking LHS part. What is the LHS part is A star of B star C. Now just substitute the values. What is the A, what is the B, what is the C? Here A is 1 star, B is 2 star, C is 3. First we have to operate the operations within the brackets, that is 2 star 3. So just imagine this A star B means A into B by 2. The same way 2 star 3 means 2 into 3 by 2. So this 1 star is the same. This 2 star 3, that is 2 into 3 by 2. Now here 2 to get cancelled. Now the remaining is 1 star same, remaining is 3. Now again this one is 1 star 3. That is A star B. A star B means A into B by 2. So A value is 1, B value is 3. That is 1 into 3 by 2. So 1 into 3 is 3 by 2. This is the LHS. Now what about the RHS is? RHS part is A star B star C. This is the RHS part, and substitute the values, that is 1 star 2 star 3. Now here first we have to operate the operations 1 star 2. A star B. A star B means A into B by 2. So 1 star 2 means 1 into 2 by 2. Close the bracket. Star 3. So 2 to get cancelled. So remaining is 1 star 3. So 1 star 3 means again in the form of A star B. So apply the operation A into B by 2. That is 1 into 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2. So both LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS or A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. When this condition is possible, then we can say star is associative. So finally what I can say, this operation A star B equal to AB by 2 is, it is binary operation, and it is commutative, and it is associative. Next problem is on Z plus we are defining A star B equal to A power B. Now this operation we have to check it is binary operation or not, and commutative or not, and associative or not. Now here first I am checking binary operation. Here we have to take the elements from the positive integers, that is Z plus only. That's why I am taking here A value is 2, B value is 3. And you can choose other values also. But I am taking here is 2 and 3. Now what is the operation given? That is A star B is equal to A power B. Just substitute here the values. That is 2 star 3. That is A value is 2, B value is 3. That is 2 power A power B. That is 2 power 3. That is 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. Now this 8 belongs to the same set Z plus. Now I am taking the values A value, B value from the Z plus, and the result also belongs to the Z plus. Then we can say star is binary operation. Now, what about the commutative? What about the commutative? See here, for the commutative, the condition is A star B should be equal to B star A. Here, for all A comma B, compulsory this belongs to the given set Z plus. Now here I am choosing the values. A value is 2, B value is 3. First I am taking LHS part. So what is LHS is A star B. Now just substitute here. What is the A star B operation is? That is A power B. That is A value is 2 star B value is 3. 2 star 3. That is 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means it is 8. Now LHS answer is 8. Now I am checking RHS. So what is the RHS is B star A. Actually A star B is, now it is B star A. B star A star B is A power B. Now B star A is terms will be reverse. That means in place of A is B, in place of B is A. That is in place of A is B, in place of B is A. B power A. Now here I am taking the values. That is A value 2, B value 3. So B value is 3, star A value is 2, B value is 3. A value is 2, 3 square is 9. Now here, this LHS part answer is 8 and RHS answer is 9. Both are not equal. That is, therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, A star B is not equal to B star A. So hence, what you can write, hence star is not commutative. Star is not commutative. Next we have to check star is associative or not. So I am taking associative. What is the associative condition is A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. Here for all A comma B comma C belongs to the given set Z plus. That's why I am taking the values, 3 values. A value is 2, B value is 3, C value is 4. Now here, take LHS here first. LHS part is, now what is LHS part is A star of B star C. Now substitute the values. A is 2 star of B stars there is 3 star 4. Now see, that is 2 star 3 star 4. 3 star 4 means it is 3 power 4. It is 3 power 4. 2 star of, first I have to solve 3 star 4, that is 3 power 4. Now it is 2 star of 3 power 4 means it is 81. Now again it is in the form of A star B. A star B means A power B. So that is A value is 2, B value is 81. That is 2 power 81. This is the LHS answer. Now what about the RHS? RHS is A star of A star B star C. So what is the A value, B value, C value? I am adding here. That is 2 star 3 star 4. Now we have to solve 2 star 3. That means A star B means A power B. 2 star 3 means 2 power 3. 2 power 3 star 4. Now here 2 power 3 is 8. 8 star 4. Again it is in the form of A star B. So A star B is A power B. 8 star 4, that is 8 power 4. That is 8 power 4. This one I am converting into 2 powers. So this 8 I am adding as 2 cube whole power 4. 3 into 4, that is 12. 2 power 4. Now see here, LHS answer is 2 power 81 and RHS answer is 2 power 12. So both are not equal. So what do you write therefore? LHS is not equal to RHS or A star of B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So when these conditions fail, then we can say star is not associative. So what is the given operations on Z plus is A star B equal to A power B. So this operation is binary operation and it is not commutative and not associative.